Okay, let's start. Well, these are all the usual class prerequisites, you know what to do. So today, as you can see, we're going to do grammar, MCQ, comprehension cloze, synthesis, and transformation. Well, you already know the rules, okay, what to do in classes, in the class and all. So if you have something to say, you raise your hand, I didn't see the function, you can just unmute yourself and then, excuse me, teacher, I have a question, then I can proceed, okay? Right, so today we're learning this. Grammar MCQ, comprehension cloze, and synthesis and transformation. These are the three things that we need to do by 9 p.m. So I just need somebody to be a timekeeper again. Okay, so let's start with grammar MCQs first. Okay, how we're going to do this is, I think for those of you who have been with me, you know how we do it. We will do the question and then you type in your answers in the chat. So guys, can you guys type in your answer for question number 1 now, very quickly? You see again, the difference between who and whom has been brought up again. As we have seen in the video, whom will never be used as the subject. Alamak. Sorry. Okay. Whom will never be used as the subject. So here, the woman who just spoke to you at the entrance is the owner of the poultry farm. So I would be B. Okay. Who? Because the subject here is the woman. This one just spoke to you. So the answer should be B. Who? Okay, I think most of you got it B. Same. This is why I showed you the video just now so that you can differentiate between who and whom. Okay. So this is question 1. Let's move to question 2, guys. Do question 2, type in the chat. Okay, well, you are, so basically, you know, this would be the clue. This one is, there is, so is here, shows there's only 1%, so there is somebody, so answer should be C. What is that, Nabil? Answer should be C, because there is somebody. Okay, next one. The prince went to the peasant's house to thank him personally. Type in the chat. Clue is here. Prince himself went to the peasant's house to thank him personally. Okay. Next, my cousin sister enjoys playing video games more than, question number 4, more than who? Okay, the options, type in the chat. More than I do, so this would be A. Hang on. Okay, more than I do. And next one, last question. Oh. Oopsie daisy. No. Okay, all right. Question number 5. Asking you for a choice. So it would be which color would you like? Okay. So this is a choice there. So which color between two options? Yeah. So you need two options. So which color would you like? Pink or blue? Wait, yeah. Okay, so done with the comprehension close. I mean grammar MCQs all done already. Next, comprehension close. So I know, Brian. Please delete that from your memory. Cannot. If you anybody saw that, please delete that from your memory for a while. Okay. So for comprehension close, okay. So I would need you to look at this passage. Okay, there's like 3 slides. So first thing you need to do is to read this whole page and then everyone type in your answers for 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 first. I give you about 5 minutes. For complete close, there'll be like different types of, I mean like there's more than one answer for some of the questions. So take about, I would say less than 5 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes to type in your answers in the chat now, guys, for question 6 to 11. Hang on, yeah. Let me just pause for a while. Let me just hang on, yeah. Let me see. I think some of you came in. I have not checked attendance. Let me just check the attendance first. Let me see who else present have a mark, yeah. Shu, Diksha, Ian on the. Okay. But I've already checked all your attendance. Nice. Thank you very much. Okay, back to the screen. Yeah, guys, for these questions, I need you to type in the chat. Oh, wait. Sorry. Okay, please type in your answers, guys. 6 till 11. Page by page so that it's easier for me to check your answers as well. Then we can find the contextual clues. Everyone type in your answer for 6 to 11 now. 3 minutes time. Okay, 1 more minute for those of you still typing. Okay, let me start going through the answers for this right now first. Okay, for this one, there's some clues, okay? Let's find the clues together. I think you guys got the answers, but let's find the clues to find the answers. Question 6. Ancient Egypt was one of the greatest and most powerful civilizations in the what of the world? In the history of the world. So basically the clue will be world, and then you see ancient. So ancient is already has the clue for history. Alamak. Hang on. Okay, wait, let me just retype it. Write it again. Okay. It lasted over 3,000 years. So this is the time frame. So definitely from one point to another. So from the civilization of ancient Egypt was located along, because located, and then it's a river. In Northeast Africa, the Nile was the what of Egypt's wealth? Why is my pen? Okay, was the source of much of Egypt's wealth. It provided food. The it refers to the noun. Soil, water, and transportation for the Egyptians. So all this and one more. So will be N. Okay, nice. So far, okay. Let's go to the next slide. Can you guys type in your answers for 12, 13, 14, 15 now?
For question, can we say now?
Which question? Which question?
A.
8. Okay, hang on. Sorry guys, I just go back to the previous slide. Okay, was located near. No. You see, right? It's a river. So you think of the river, it's located on the by the banks of the river. That's why you need to do it as along because of the. Okay, let me just add it because of the river banks. That's why it's along. So you cannot say near. Does that answer your question? Is that okay? Who asked me the question just now? I think this helped, right? Okay, next slide. Can you type me your answer for 12, 13, 14, 15 now? The rest of you who have not typed in, you have got 1 more minute.